Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given exponential equation. As you can see, so we have got 7 power x plus 1 plus 7 power x equal to 8 over 343. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here I have copied down this problem, as you can see. Now let's focus on this very first term, 7 power x plus 1. So this could be written as 7 power x times 7 power 1 according to this product rule. And then we're going to just write down 7 power x as it is. And on the right hand side, we can write 8 divided by 343. And now on the left hand side, this 7 power x is in common, so I can factor that one out. So I can write 7 power x times 7 power 1 plus 1 equals to 8 divided by, let's focus on this denominator, 343. And we know that 343 could be written as, in terms of exponent, 7 power 3. So I'm going to replace 343 by 7 power 3. Now let's focus on inside this parentheses 7 power 1 plus 1. I have just copied it down over here. We know 7 power 1 is same as 7 plus 1 is going to give us 8. So I can replace this one by 8. So I can write 7 power x times 8 equal to 8 divided by 7 power 3. And now we want to get rid of this 8 from both sides. So I'm going to multiply by 1 over 8 on this side and 1 over 8 on this side. So this 8 and 8 is gone. Here this 8 and 8 is gone. So we ended up with 7 power x equal to 1 over 7 power 3, or simply 7 power x equal to, and over here in the denominator we got 7 power 3 with the positive exponent. If we move this one to the top, to the numerator, this exponent is going to become negative. So I can write this one as 7 power negative 3. And now we can see that we have the same base 7 on both sides. So that means we can equate these exponents. So that means x is going to be equal to negative 3. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to negative 3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.